So your My PPE vending machine has just arrived. It's either at location or at your warehouse. Go around, make sure all the numbers make sense, make sure we deliver to the right place, right person. From there, either get a pair of scissors, a car key, a razor blade, whatever's easiest for you. And let's start chopping away at this. Definitely not a pretty thing and a fun thing to do, but you rip it off any way you need. Don't worry about the plastic and cardboard too much. Just get it off. All right. And then from there, just start pulling away at it. On one side. Another side, there's 4 of those, so I got 2 more. Pull in another one. Pretty easy, pretty simple, don't need to be too strong, just kind of pound away at it. It's always better to remove the plastic when you kind of want to move them around a little bit, because with the plastic it'll kind of slip and slide on you. With it off, you get a little bit of grip. And I'm going to turn this thing around for you guys so you can see what it looks like. This way. So not too difficult to move. I'm probably an average strength guy. Just want to give you guys a visual. And there's your machine. You got stuff that comes in the bottom like I mentioned in the other video, but we're good to go on that. That's how you open your box. Get excited. Good luck.